This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today on a pick I made yesterday. I picked up 28 motors. An outboard motor buddy and subscriber found them for me at an auction in Baton Rouge, and his lovely wife Terry picked them for me, and James hauled them to his house and I went to pick them up. He did me a big favor. So I lucked out and got these motors. I'm gonna try to make a museum at my camp in Toledo Bend out of them, and look what I got. I got two Ted Williams here motors. Not sure what this year this one is. It's an Evinrude motor. I got a Scott McCullough. Looks like a 10 horsepower here. I haven't researched everything on every one of these. Here's a 1958 Evinrude Alto. Here's a 2 horsepower 38. I'm not sure what that one is. Here's a Royal. Not sure what that one is. Here's a Sea King 3.5. Here's an Evinrude. Here's a Scott Atwater. I got an Elgin here. There's the cover for it. The 2 Elgin covers are over there. Here's a Sears 3 horsepower. Here's another Sears. Not sure what this one is. Taka. I'm not sure what that one is. Have to research that. Here's a Sea King 3.5. Here's a Sears 3.5. Here's another Elgin. Here's a Game Fisher. Looks like this one is a Johnson. Here's the hoods. Pretty good. I got all the oddball motors I've never had before from my collection. In that pick that James and Terry got for me, I also got this nice 5.5 horsepower Johnson. And here's 3 more motors that they picked for me. There's a Johnson that looks like 2 Johnson 5 horsepower Seahorses. Those are restorable. And another cream colored Johnson, another good restore. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 good restores and 24 oddball motors from my collection. Just awesome. There's some of my other motors sitting around here at the shop if y'all are interested. All these are restored. 10 horsepower Johnson, 10 horsepower Johnson Seahorse, Johnson Seahorse 3.5, 3 horsepower, another 3, Evinrude 6, Johnson 6, Evinrude 9.5, and here is restore number 99 that I just finished barrel testing yesterday. And I'll put her out in the water. You'll get a lake test video of my beautiful 56 Johnson 10 horsepower. I want to give a big shout out to James here. Agreed to take a picture of us together with the collection that he went out of his way, out of the kindness of his heart, knew T-Mike would be interested in all these motors and contacted me. While his wife was at the auction, she thought of me too and contacted James, and they hooked me up with this collection, stored it for me for a couple of weeks till the Hurricane Ida could pass over so I could get out there and pick them up. I mean, really made my day. Just goes to show you there are still some nice people in this crazy world of ours. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bâtons rouler.